with the goal of establishing a permanent presence on the lunar surface and reaching Mars. NASA is on a quest to bring this epic plan to life by the year 2040. To achieve these ambitious goals, NASA has joined forces with various industries, universities, and private companies. One of the most notable collaborations is the partnership with ICON, a pioneer in space-based construction systems. They plan to use 3D printing technology for housing production on the Moon. However, these grand projects face the challenge of lunar dust. Lunar dust is known to be abrasive and toxic, but engineers are determined to find ways to overcome this difficulty. NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center will test whether a truly viable solution for lunar construction exists in the largest testing room in February 2024.